Item planning is the tool which displays true projected, or expected, inventory availability on every point in time. It answers the important questions: when can we deliver and how many, but also when we want to investigate potential shortage situations related to both external and internal supply chain operations. On top of working with this tool, we can apply simulation capabilities to answer what-if questions. Item planning operates on various NAV data, items, production bill of materials, assembly bill of materials and production orders, and in this case, also together with the planning worksheet. You are going to watch an excellent cooperation between the NAV planning and the item planning solution. You know the problem. It is hard to find out if I shall follow the order proposals on what this planning worksheet tells me to do. Fortunately, you now have a tool to assist you in the process. Click on link planning worksheet with item planning, items and bill of materials. The problem with the standard planning worksheet in NAV is to see the inventory impact of carrying out the proposed action messages. Due to, for example, bad data quality and lead times, safety stock quantity, and other planning parameters, the planning engine might generate incorrect requirements and order proposals. Fortunately, we now have the item planning tool, manually to verify the relevance of the output from the planning engine. Enter the item number 1000 to filter on just this item. Press the Tab key. Now you see all the order proposals for this specific item to be handled. Click on the ribbon button, Item Planning, Item. Click on the cell, MRP Plan Order with a value 242 and notice the column Expected Inventory. Seen from my practical point of view, the inventory seems to develop reasonably over time. So the conclusion is that we can accept or carry out the proposed messages in the planning worksheet. Before doing so, we will show another nice built-in function. Now, it might be that you want to change the order proposal to a somewhat lower quantity. Click on the cell, Quantity with the value 400. Click on the cell, Simulate Quantity with the quantity 400. Change the quantity to 250. You now have the option to change the order proposal in the planning sheet directly, instead of going back to the planning sheet to do the changes. Click on the menu item Refresh Planning line. You have the option of recalculating this planning sheet line, also for the lower levels requirements, or you can leave the original lower level plan as is. Click on the button, OK. Press the Escape key. Click on the Close button. I accept, and want to carry out the proposed action of releasing this order proposal. Click on the cell, Accept Action Message by tick marking the rows you want. This example shows how to see if the order proposals coming from the planning engine are reasonable. So it might be I say that the order proposals look okay seen from my professional view on the data. That is, I can accept action messages without increasing our future inventory, and still satisfying our overall plan. Therefore we can just accept to carry out the action messages generated by the planning engine, knowing that our supply and delivery plan is in a good condition. So a perfect combination when making the right decisions. You have not seen it, but the item planning bill of material shortage analysis works as well on the order proposals.